Good morning, guys. It is 9:30 on July 5th, 2018. We are 10 days away from London. Yeah, so I was gonna go get my haircut today, but I want my mom to pay for it, so I didn't ask for her card, so I'll do it tomorrow. We bought some hot chocolate. We bought this hot chocolate yesterday at Walmart, and it was on clearance, and it's junior mint hot chocolate, so it's mint hot chocolate, and that's really good. But I have no cereal. I have milk, but no cereal. I guess I could open my box of Cinnamon Life. Right, I have milk and no cereal. I also have chicken wings, so I have to learn how to marinate those. Apparently I'm supposed to clean out the fridge. I don't know what that means. Clean out the fridge. Like, I don't know what that means. But I went to go take my laundry out of the dryer because I had washed clothes last night, and I realized I didn't start the dryer last night. Yeah, so that's currently drying. I'm going upstairs. Yeah, so my room is clean, basically. I might go through that box today. I feel like it might, because there's a lot of stuff I still need to do, and that's my last box of school things. I need to finish packing, so all my school things are done. They're all in that corner. I mean, I hope they're done. I have no idea if I have everything I need for school, but we'll go with it. Just gonna turn on my TV. My dog slept with me last night, and it was so cute. But I'm gonna go get online. Today's video is all ready to go. I'm gonna wait a little. That was very strange. That was weird. I'm gonna wait a little before I actually post it, because just give people time to like wake up and stuff, and then I'll upload it maybe around 11. Yeah, and then I still have to think if I'm gonna go for yesterday's video and for the video that went up on the 4th, right? Yeah, the video that went up on the 4th doesn't have thumbnails. I need to make that. Also, I said this in yesterday's video, or today's video, the video that went up yesterday for you guys. I messed up the thumbnail, and if you guys want to see a better thumbnail that doesn't have the X or the dotted lines, leave a comment down below and I will definitely go fix it. I just didn't want to last night. I probably will end up go fix it, let's be real. But I think I'm gonna watch The Bachelorette. I haven't been watching, and I want to watch it before episodes get deleted on Netflix, or not Netflix, Hulu. So I think I'm gonna go start that, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm trying to watch The Bachelorette, and week 1 has already been removed from Hulu, so I'm gonna go online and see highlights. I've watched half of it. I just didn't finish that episode. So I don't know who got the roses, which week 2 is on there, thank God, because I need all the weeks. But yeah, so that's a little sad. Update: I found episode 1 on ABC Go, so I'm watching it there, and I'm gonna print out the bracket. I'm gonna fill it in because I like that. I have a bracket somewhere. I'm gonna find it. But yeah, starting. Hey guys, so I am currently trying to make the chicken wings, so I actually have to separate them. The wing from the joint, from the drumstick from the tip. Don't know. Have it on my laptop. I'm watching Bachelorette. Second 2 episode, whatever, I don't know. But yeah, obviously I can't film while I cut the wings because meat on my hands. But I will show you guys when I'm done. Currently just finished with the wings. I'm gonna show you this as something fell. Times. This is a rub that I made that we've been doing on pulled pork, and we love it on pulled pork. And so I thought it'd be good on chicken wings. And then this is sweet mesquite barbecue rub that my brother says I like. I tasted it. I don't know if I like it. It's in this bottle, A1 sweet mesquite barbecue, but this looks so good. It smells so good, and it's right here in this little container. I'll read you the recipe. It has an instant pulled pork spice rub, so it has brown sugar, smoked paprika, or we just use paprika, salt, pepper, cumin, cayenne, and chili powder. It's right there. So we make it a little sweeter by adding an extra tablespoon of brown sugar. But yeah, so right now I just finished episode 2 of The Bachelorette, and I'm gonna go into episode 3.
Just trust yourself.
And yeah.
So you guys don't know that you'll be here today. Tia, Colton. Who's Colton? Bobsledding is a lot like this journey. You have to be fast, you have to be precise, you have to be ready for the curve, and hopefully it's all worth it in the end. I'm so happy Garrett is here.
So I'm currently trying to make cookies. Don't know if it's turning out well, but I'm trying. Aren't I gonna start raining? And here are the second batch of wings. They're almost ready to be put on the grill. So there they are. This is the mesquite barbecue, and this is the pulled pork rub that I used. Hey guys, so it is like 12:40 now. Why is everything so loud on Netflix now? But I am now all caught up on the Bachelorette, although I did fall asleep during episode 6. I might go back and watch that later, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna turn on the Netflix and go to sleep. Yep. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell, because I'm vlogging every single day up until I leave to London, and then I'll be vlogging in London as well. If you haven't seen the past 1, 2, 3 vlogs, how to count, they are all linked down below. 13, 12, 11 days left. Link down below. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye.